Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video for DragonHeir Silent Gods. Today I'm playing my Season 4 account on the live server, and I'm doing some weekly dungeons, starting off with Zmaragdis, the green dragon, and I'm using a different team than I usually do, just to show that other teams can do pretty good as well. And this time it's a mix of Radiance with Celia as the tank and healing part. She's using the horn to push some damage, and Rose is there for debuffing, attack down, and death breaking with the witch's remains artifact. And for the damage part I use Shalter, Ivelios and Thutha. Have fun.
Trees! Unleash my anger!